Hi, my name is Joe Unwin. I'm also known as FlowJoe Online. I've just completed Mark's 90-day mentoring challenge. Now, I'm from Cambridge in the United Kingdom, and I got to work and meet a lot of people from around the world at the same time as we was doing our cohorts, which was awesome. We've also established a nice little community and connections to each other outside of the mentorship program. I'm not actually someone from a end user, a partner, or in Microsoft. I'm a lone, a lone person at the moment because I'm looking to potentially move my career towards the Microsoft stack. I started learning Microsoft Flow to begin with, and I didn't actually know what to do further to my career. I did not know what direction to look in, what to learn next, and Mark actually helped me with this tremendously. I'm now focusing on the Power Apps. I'm then going to be working on Microsoft Azure and AI, and I'm actually building my online presence as well, which Mark has also offered a lot of help with. He talks a lot about branding, how to establish yourself online, how to create and make better blogs, better videos, which is something that I really wanted to learn and develop my skill set in. Now, he offers guidance into actually getting things done as well, providing focus in the Microsoft industry and providing focus of actually where to enhance your career. He breaks down the structure of Microsoft, explains where it's going, how you can actually establish connections there, and he's an awesome MVP with a lot of insights into this industry. So I definitely recommend this for someone that's got a career in the industry already or is actually just considering a career change into it. It will definitely help you, especially establish yourself online, and get to meet some awesome people from all around the world. Thanks.